Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm Nafita Ramadhani with ID number 210208501002. Today I will make a reversible bucket hat tutorial with the color blocking pattern on one side and full color on the other side. There are 3 steps you should do. First, make a pattern. Second, cutting fabric, and the last is sewing. I will show you a step-by-step tutorial. Here's the material for the hat. I used to draw fabric or cotton fabric with the beige tone and dark khaki tone. Other than that, there are also tools for sewing, like thread, scissors, and sewing machines. Now we make the pattern. First, I make a circle pattern. It's for the top of the hat. The size of a round hat I use is 57 centimeters. You can also measure the hat like this. From the size, make it to diameter with the math circle formula. I got 18. After we got the size, now we draw it. Make a plus sign for the circle, measure around from the middle of the line until a circle is formed and cut it. Afterward, the headband pattern is just a simpler rectangular shape at first, divided further around the head. It's for the width and the length, measure 9 centimeters. After the rectangular is done, divide it into 4 parts and cut each line, but don't get to the end and break the paper. Next is to copy the pattern. Paste the pattern onto the paper with the pen. Make a distance for 1 cm for each separated line and cut it. The last pattern we made is the brim. It's the same as we do at the headband pattern. Draw a rectangular at first, and for the size, measure the big side of the headband pattern. We use it for the width. For the length, measure 6 centimeters. Cut it and copy it like a headband pattern. The difference is in the distance. Measure it at 1.5 centimeters. Now the pattern is done. The next step is cutting the fabric. First, for the color blocking side. I cut the dark khaki tone first from the circle, headband, and then the brim. Make a seam of 1 cm for each side of the pattern, but on the one side of the brim, place it on the fold. Don't make a seam on it. It's the same thing we do with the beige tone fabric but without the circle. Now for the last step, sewing. Put the headband together, pin it and sew it. After that, I'm going to do a top stitch. I'm going to fold the flaps down so that they stay flat, and I'm just going to stitch on the top like this. So now we're gonna put the brim together, bring the right side together, pin it, and sew it. That was the bucket hat tutorial from me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.